What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining me for another home decor haul of mine. Today I have some fun home decor items to share with you guys. I hope that you will enjoy this one. Let's jump right in and get started. All right, here is my first TJ Maxx find, and this is a little travel mug. I thought that this was so cute. I loved the very soft, like pale color palette of it. And then of course I loved what it said. One of the many reasons I absolutely love TJ Maxx and Home Goods is that they have such a huge selection of mugs, coffee mugs, travel mugs, tumblers. There's just something for everyone, and their prices are also really good. I found this water bottle. It is insulated, it has a twist off top, and to be honest, I just needed a new water bottle. I love the color combination between the black lid, the white Nike swoosh symbol, and then that magenta color. I thought it was just really pretty and very feminine. I just have two more drinkware cups to talk about. Here they are. I purchased these, they were on sale. I want to say that they were $2. Here you can see on the bottom here, it has like a broken glass effect, which is something I really liked. Then I also really love when glasses have that like greenish tint to them. I think it's just such a classic look. Next up, I found this baking dish, and if you guys have seen past home decor haul videos of mine, I've talked about very similar ones to these. I want to say probably 4 or 5 times now. I just am so obsessed with the print and the design, and I am constantly using these. Even though they have roses on them, I think that they are still so perfect for the winter months. Honestly, I just never want my kitchen to be without these now. Here you can see the side. It's just so beautiful. I love the rose details. Here are my last 3 dinnerware type of items to mention. I picked up these 3 appetizer plates from Home Goods. They were $3.99 each. For some reason, these just make me think about summer and spring, and I love having appetizer plates. I think they are just like the perfect size, especially when you have company over. But just to have appetizers and snacks, these are such a good sized plates. Here you can see how they look up close. They have like a darker gray with a lighter gray stripe pattern, and then they have some like black speckles that run throughout this as well. All right, let's move on to baskets and organization, because I have a few of those to share with you guys today. Here's the first one. I found this black canvas woven looking basket from TJ Maxx. It was $12.99, and I just thought that this was such a cool, edgy look. In my personal opinion, you can never have too many baskets, even if they are not all being used. I love having baskets ready on hand. Just a big fan of organization and everything having a place inside of my home. So I was excited to come across this one. I just think it looks a lot different than any of my other current bins or baskets. I love that it has the soft canvas material. I also really like that it's black, but it does have like a basket looking effect because of that weave. All right, next up I have this huge basket. Here you can see it has so much detail, and it's beautiful, I think. So I found this one at World Market. Originally, this was supposed to be $40, and luckily when I came across it, it was marked on sale for $32. And because of how big it is and because of how neutral it is, I figured there's so many different things that I could use this for. So you could totally use this for plants, for a huge fiddle fig tree. I saw that on World Market's website, and that just looks stunning, that combination. You could also use this as a throw blanket basket. You could fit a ton of throw blankets in there, I think, or you could put some faux stems in there. That is another idea that I saw on World Market's website. So there's lots of different things. You could use this for toys, of course, or for laundry. You can see the handles. They're nice and thick and chunky. There's just a lot of things that I love about this one, and I think that it will definitely be part of my home organization for many years. Okay, there's like no way for me to be able to get both of these in the screen, but I picked up these metal cans. These were from Kirklands, and they were actually part of the Christmas collection at Kirklands, and I got them on major sale. I got them 75% off. Here you can see a little bit more of what they look like. They have a really cool like whitewashed effect to them. They don't have much of a shine at all, and then they have black handles on both sides. And I will flip them over in a minute to share with you guys what they look like, what makes them Christmas. I know that I will use them for the next holiday Christmas season, but I like how they look so much flipped that I don't want to use them just for Christmas holiday season. So if you guys have Christmas decor that you can just turn around and make year-round decor, definitely don't be afraid. Get all the use you can out of it. Okay, here's how the fronts of these look and how they're intended to look. So during the Christmas months, I will definitely be sticking some like 6-foot Christmas trees in here and using these as like the tree skirt. And here is another reminder. I'm always trying to give you guys reminders to shop those after holiday sales. All right, moving right along, I found this large whitewashed wooden photo frame. This can hold an 11 by 14 photo, and this is another thing that I'm always looking at and looking for when I go to places like HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, just because I love these oversized frames that I'm able to use as wall decor in my home, and I'm able to stick some family photos in, or especially a photo of my 2 kids. I have really replaced a lot of my wall decor that I used to have up with oversized photo frames. I got to that point where I no longer wanted to see words all around my house, but instead I wanted to see my kids' faces. So that has been the direction that I've been moving in for quite a while now. Surprisingly, this was on clearance for $11. So it was a really good deal, especially for this size. Next up, I found these 2 vases. I have talked about similar vases to these. There's just a difference in the shape and the size, but I have these vases all around my house. I love them. I have such a hard time passing these by when I see them at TJ Maxx. Next up, I purchased 2 new little wooden signs, one for my son's room and then one for our little coffee station in our kitchen. All right, here's my last find for this haul, and this is a little bath rug that I found at World Market. This was on clearance for only $10, which I thought was such a good deal just because of all of the detail and the texture. I have wanted a rug with the little tassels on the ends for so long now, but besides those, I also really liked the overall look of the rug itself. So that concludes this home decor haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I hope to see you all in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye.